Hi, and welcome to the Macking Domain live stream. We are here at the office right now. I'm Tu, your host, and this is Mel. We both work for Macking Domain. So, Macking Domain, if you're not familiar, is a company that sells various broadcast equipments suited to whatever our clients need, really, all the time. So, we usually liaise with our clients and we'll get in touch with them to ask what they need, and we will provide those equipments to them.
Yeah, so starting today, we want to be able to do more and more live streams to talk about the products that we carry because we are very passionate about the products that we believe in.
Okay, so for today's stream, just for you geeks out there, we have prepared sort of a slide for you to see the workflow. So it's really a simple workflow we have here. We have one PTZ camera by Bird-Dog, the ICE P200 series running through NDI, and we have the secondary camera, the POV camera, which is a bit of a preview to the actual product we're going to talk about today. But this one is connected through SDI. Both are connected to the Magic Meerkat, another product of ours. It's a switcher that runs vMix. Stay tuned next time for other updates on this product.
And for the audio, it's very simple. Really, it's just a large diaphragm condenser mic hooking up to an audio interface that is connected to the Meerkat.
Alright, and that is pretty much the format of our show. So let's head into the main style of today's live stream. This is the OPTOVER VW series POV. Yeah, it's basically weatherproof. And some of you might be asking, what is a POV camera? It's similar to an action camera, really, but instead of just running on a battery, this one can be connected to a wall socket. And the view of it, actually, you're kind of getting a glimpse of it right now, is pretty similar to what you see on this screen. And it's a fisheye camera, if you can't tell, and it connects. The main advantage it has over the action camera really is that it connects through SDI, and it can run for long hours, so it's suited for heavy duty broadcast productions, really.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna talk a little bit about Y&M, the company that started OPTOVER cameras. Basically, Y&M System Incorporation is a professional visual equipment manufacturer located in Seoul, South Korea, and they were established in 2014 by Myung-ho Lee and his experienced team members under what they call the clear vision of dedication to visual equipment industry. Now, these guys, they're super passionate about the things that they do. They say on their website that they've accumulated technology specifically in PTZ cameras, POV cameras, keyboard controllers, and the relevant accessories. They specially invest a large portion of their investment in R&D in order to satisfy their specific customer needs worldwide.
Yeah, and the guys have been in touch with us very proactively throughout this collaboration. In fact, the reason why you may not have heard of this brand in the past is because they've been pretty much focused on the South Korean market up until now, which they have since decided to move on to an international stage, which is why you'll be hearing quite a bit more of it from here onwards. Especially, we'll be doing quite a bit of recommendation to a lot of our clients because, as you can tell, the quality actually is not all too bad. In fact,
Yeah.
it is pretty crisp and clear.
To take a look a little bit closer, we do have an unboxing video prepared for you guys to watch.
All right.
Alright, so we hope that you like the video that we prepared very briefly for this live stream. I'm just gonna go over a little bit about the applications that one might think about when you wonder what to do with a POV camera. I look at POV camera as just another action camera, but it's not as portable like some brands that we all know and love. But what we have learned in recent days is that a lot of off-road enthusiasts are really into this product. This one, just imagine you can just hook it up in your car, in your dashboard, right? And you take it with you, along with you, as you drive from one state to another state, showing your adventures. You just need an inverter, a 12-volt inverter that you can that converts into an AC current, and this one can run long hours without a power bank. The other application that I can think of is sports. I'm a netball player. Well, I used to be a netball player, and I can just imagine it being at the hoops, and then you can just simply watch us doing slam dunks or whatever. The other application that I can think of is theater. Nobody really think about theater and how we can use a POV camera there, but basically a lot of stage managers or actors even want to be able to know what's going on outside, and if you can just place this strategically in 3 to 4 locations, they can see both the stage in 3 different angles as well as looking at the audience and their reactions. Yeah.
Right, so yeah, with those applications in mind, maybe some of the more technical people out there would like to know that the resolutions for this camera actually runs up to 1080 60p, which is a pretty high frame rate suitable for many sports actually. But you're not limited by that, because it even has 50p, 30p, 25p, and even some of the iframe rates if you prefer those. And on top of that, this unit, actually the whole series of these POV cameras by OPTOVER contain the Sony sensor, so it packs a mean punch when it comes to low light. In fact, right now we are running with very minimal lighting, but we have confidence in its performance, and I believe you can sort of tell that it's barely struggling with the low light performance here. And on top of that, we should mention it really isn't that expensive. It is going right now a little over 2,000 ringgit on our website. If you'd like to know more information, you can always log into our website to check prices. And yeah, it's also pretty lightweight, easy to set up. It's small.
I believe it's about 0.9 pounds or about 300 grams or so.
Yeah,
it's not
so
very heavy.
Easily mountable even on small stands. It has the standard mounting for some of the stands. In fact, you can kind of see that it has sort of threadings on 3 sides, and the cable goes up to 3 meters, and in fact there's a 10-meter model in the works, and connections are pretty standard from what you expect with most production outputs. And in fact, we haven't even talked about its weatherproof abilities. This one is rated at IP67. Essentially what it means is it can go up even to 1 meter of submersion in water and still perform pretty well. So with more typical weather conditions like rain, storms, or maybe even sandstorms if you throw at it, it will have no issue at all. So very suited for things like off-road terrains and stuff, even being mounted out in the open instead of just on the dashboard. So yeah, that's about it for this one.
So if you want to know more about this product, you can just go onto our website, mackingdomain.com, go to the brands section, look for OPTOVER, look for POV camera, and you'll find it there. There's also an option for you to sign up a form. This is a pop-up form from the bottom right of the screen for us to contact you if you want to know more directly from us. We will come and visit you, or you can also come and visit us, and we'll happily come and do a free demo for all of you.
And for those who prefer the comforts of their bedroom or study, we also plan to make this a regular thing. So just write a comment and mention what products you would like to see being demonstrated on the stream, and we'll definitely get to work on the material, and we'll definitely like to show you more of our other products in the future. And yeah, hope to hear from you all soon.
See you guys next time.
Have a nice day. Go home, have a nice cup of coffee and ice cream. I can see that I recognize that look. That's the I want to retreat to my shell look now. And recharge for the next week. Really like amateurs. Alright. We'll get used to it.